morning. Welcome to City HM Hotel.
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the third weekend in September. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, sir. We have several rooms available for that particular weekend. And what is the exact date of your arrival?
The 24th.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 2 nights.
How many people is the reservation for?
There will be 2 of us.
And would you like a room with twin bed or double bed?
A double bed, please.
Great. And would you prefer to have a room with a view of ocean?
If that type of room is available, I would love to have an ocean view. What's the rate for the room?
Your room is $590 per night. Now, what name will be the reservation who is under?
Robbie Gapas.
Could you spell your last name for me, please?
Sure. G-A-P-A-Z.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes. My cell phone number is 0907-587-3448.
Great! Now I need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of your card is it?
Visa. The number is 0907-587-3448.
And what is the name of your card holder?
Robbie Gapas.
Alright, Mr. Gapas, your reservation has made for a 24th of September for a room with a double bed and a view of ocean. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any other question, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in September, Mr. Gapas. Have a nice day.